In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add icons and text in Notion, step by step, using a simple built-in feature that a lot of users overlook. Adding icons or emojis inside your text can make your notes clearer, more visual, and easier to scan, especially if you use Notion for planning, documentation, or daily workspaces. This works on both new and existing pages, and you don't need any extensions or paid tools. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Notion and either create a brand new empty page or open an existing page where you want to add icons inside your text. This can be a document, a to-do list, meeting notes, or any type of Notion page. Once you're inside the page, click anywhere in the content area so your text cursor is active. Now type any text you want. This could be a heading, a sentence, or even a checklist item. For example, you might type something like daily tasks or project notes. At this point, there's nothing special yet, just normal text. Now here's the key step. To add an icon directly inside the text, move your cursor to the exact position where you want the icon to appear. This could be at the beginning of the text, in the middle of a sentence, or at the end. Once your cursor is in place, type a colon using your keyboard. As soon as you type the colon, Notion will open the emoji selector. Now start typing a letter that matches the emoji you want. For example, type E to see emojis related to E, like email, eyes, or energy. You can also type more specific keywords like check, star, fire, or arrow. As you type, Notion will automatically filter the emoji list. When you see the icon you want, you can either click on it with your mouse or use the arrow keys on your keyboard and press enter. The emoji will instantly appear inside your text exactly where your cursor was. You can repeat this process anywhere in the same line or across your page. For example, you can add an icon before each section title, inside bullet points, or even between words to visually separate ideas. If you want to add emojis faster, you can keep typing colon and keywords without opening any extra menus. This makes it really efficient when formatting long pages. Another helpful tip is that you can combine emojis with bold or highlighted text to make important information stand out even more. Just select the text like normal and apply formatting after adding the icon. And that's really all there is to it. Using the colon shortcut is the fastest and easiest way to add icons and text in Notion, and it works consistently across desktop and web versions. Once you start using this, your pages will look more organized and much easier to read. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, productivity guides, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.